lay their eggs right on the body of the caterpillar. When the eggs hatch, what do the larvae feed on? Caterpillar.
That's so sad.
Sad for the caterpillar, yes. Good for the wasps. So, wow, what a great form of pest control for humans. There's a nice service. So, host, parasites. And that will eventually kill the caterpillar, but the way nature works. How about mistletoe? Mistletoe is a plant. There are, I would venture to guess, several hundred species of mistletoe around the world. A couple species here in the United States, not in the East. You have to go west to find mistletoe in the United States. And the big problem, one is a big problem. It's called dwarf mistletoe. Here it is. And what it does is it grows on host trees, dwarf mistletoe, especially pine trees. And what it does is to tap into the tissue, it's called xylem and phloem, that transport water and sugars. And it takes what it wants. So certainly the dwarf mistletoe benefits, and the host tree is harmed. It's weakened. It's having sugar and water taken away from it. The sugar that had a photosynthesis, produced through photosynthesis and work hard to do, well, the mistletoe takes it.
So, when during Christmas, how much of the environment is affected because of people taking in all that mistletoe?
Minuscule. Most of the mistletoe is grown commercially.
Oh.
The mistletoe you encounter during the holidays. It's not collected outside somewhere. So here you can see an area that's been impacted by dwarf mistletoe in the western United States. See all the dead trees there. So it ultimately weakens the trees and leaves them open to viruses, fungi, and all sorts of things. And the way they spread is really cool. Not all species of mistletoe do this, but many of them do. You say, well, how does it get onto the tree here? What happens is the mistletoe produces a fruit. It's dispersed by birds. And the bird wants the outside portion of the fruit, which is rich in carbohydrate, maybe a little bit of protein. And that is digested. The seed on the inside goes through the bird's digestive system. But when it comes out the butt end, it's very sticky. So there's a layer just outside the seed that is very, very sticky. It's like glue. So when the bird poops, this seed sticks to its rear end. So the bird, birds flying around, this thing sticking to its rear end. So what it does is to find a branch, and if this was the branch here, it does this. and it transfers the fruit from its butt end to the branch. The seed then germinates and starts to grow. How ingenious is that? How incredible is that? It's just birds to spread. Somebody wasn't walking by there and saying, whoa, what's that dude doing in there? What? Okay, here's the lampreys. Lampreys are these eel-like creatures found throughout North America, especially in the Great Lakes. Kind of hideous-looking creatures. Lampreys attached to a lake trout. This is the mouth of the lamprey. And what it does is to attach, remove nutrients, weakening the fish, sometimes killing them. So the fish would be the host, the lamprey would be the parasite. Here's some dead fish where the lampreys have been removed. You can see what they do. They're nasty creatures.
Ow. Would they do that to humans too?
No.
If they were given a chance?
No, just fish.
Oh.
Now, the thing to remember with parasites is a lot of these things are disgusting and say, ooh, and how horrible, but keep in mind, everybody out there's got to eat. Everybody's got to make a living. And if it's a tick, if it's a lamprey, if it's something really disgusting, we're disgusted, but it's their way of making a living, getting food. And we just do it in a little different way. We tend not to see the cows getting slaughtered or the chickens getting their heads cut off or all that. We're removed from that. We don't have to look at that for the most part. But that's nature. Everybody's got to eat. Everybody needs the energy. Okay, we will stop here for today.